Hey guys, Eyes here because now I scan. Thanks for visiting my channel. This is where I share my thoughts, feedback on tech items or gadgets that I use or pique my interest. Now if you're following this channel, recently I've shared two accessories that I was using when I was building my upgrade for the filming rig. So I guess Milso, the brand that I bought the 3.5mm Y splitter from, liked the video and they reached out and sent me a couple of their cables. I was more than willing to give them a video review because I was really impressed on the build quality of their cables. So for today, I'll share with you guys the Milso cables that they've sent me. They sent me 4 types of cables, but their latest cable is this optical cable. Now, a lot of you guys may have already forgotten an optical cable because you're using USB or HDMI. Now, HDMI does have a higher resolution of transmitting audio, but for a lot of gears there, or even sound bars or home theaters that don't have the HDMI capability, you'll benefit from the optical cable, because this one can transmit Dolby Digital audio, 5.1 and even up to 7.1 channels. And if you need a cable, the Milso optical cable. Now the next two cables are, often I call them the sharing is caring cables because they're cousins of the Y splitter that I bought. Now this one is for a TRS connection and it goes into 2 separate TRS adapters. So you can share your earphones or your music when you're playing Spotify or watching any movie or Netflix on your phone, iPad, or anything that's using a TRS connection. The other one is a TRRS splitter, similar to the one that I got, but this one splits it into 2 headphones with mic options. So if you want to go on a call with a friend and you have your buddy beside you, you can use this. Both of you can speak at the same time and hear your friend at the same time. So it's pretty handy. It's actually neat. I didn't even know it exists, but at least you learn, right? Now the last cable is quite simple cable. It's an extension for your TRS to TRS, male to male cable. So this would assist you in connecting your external speakers to either your PC or your laptop or even your phone if it's still using a TRS port. So this one, it's a male to male TRS connector. Now for the cables that Milso have sent me, and in terms of build quality, they do not disappoint. I'm really impressed because you get thicker than usual cables. You have aluminum base or aluminum shields, and you also get the 24K plating on each tip, and the plating that they use, it's not like it will peel off anytime. So I'm really impressed on how good the quality they built these cables. Even though they're like simple cables, it is still quality for less than $10. So if you're looking for any cable to connect your audio devices, or if you are in need of an adapter, it won't hurt looking at the page of Milso on the Amazon website. Now I'll put the links at the bottom on the description box so that you can browse them, and they also graciously provided some discount coupons. So I'll put them on the description box, so if you want to buy, you can use the coupons. I won't get anything out of it. I'm not getting paid for it, but given that they have a good quality, I don't hesitate to recommend their cables. So if you're in need of adapters or audio cables, check out the Milso brand in Amazon. Well, that's about it, guys. Thank you very much for taking time and watching this video. I just really wanted to share the Milso brand. You can check them out on Amazon. And as I've mentioned, discount coupons on the description box and the links to their Amazon page. Now, if you have any questions, suggestions, or comments, please leave them on the comment section below. If you found this video helpful and you liked it, please click on the like button and consider subscribing and hitting on the bell so that you will get notified if I post something new. Alright guys, until the next video, thank you very much again, and let's all remember, we're all here to learn. Peace.